Let's check out what Pender Island has to offer.
I'm alone here on my island, floating in the sky. I'm high above the world I used to know, and I'm far from any danger, safe from any failure. Guarded, I found shelter in the storm. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds.
Welcome to Pender, a small island community that boasts a ton of charming adventures. First things first, we're on an island, so let's explore the coastal views.
But they stormed across Arcadia, following the nature, washed away the place I once called home. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds, in the blue, where I can't be found. I'm hiding in the blue. As it goes by, battle scarred my own worst enemy. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds, in the blue, where I can't be found. I'm hiding in the blue. Between the clouds, in the blue, where I can't be found. I'm hiding in the blue. Hiding in the blue, in the blue.
While there was plenty of strolling to be done along the beaches, I was also pleasantly surprised about some quality hiking I found to higher elevation viewpoints. After a day of exploring, you may feel like cooling off. Many of the beaches I visited are also great swimming spots, had it been a bit warmer. But I did manage to muster up enough courage to dive into Magic Lake. For a small island, there are many good options for eating that I have sampled during various visits. This time around I got hooked on the Otter, which offered a tasty brunch and quite possibly one of the finest fried chicken sandwiches to ever grace my lips. The bakery next door, under the same management, is also a solid choice for a coffee and some amazing baked goods you can take with you. Above all else, the real reason to spend time on Pender is to slow down, relax, and recharge. I was very content to spend time around my accommodation and remind myself that life can and should be lived at a slower pace.